Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI.
Do you like to take your little pup on walks? I know I do. But about halfway through the walk, I feel so sorry for Lou because he looks so thirsty. So I'm either trying to scrounge around and find a way to get him water out of my water bottle, or he's just got to wait till we get home. But no more because MalsiPree has this super convenient travel water bottle for your dog. This thing, they really have thought of everything. There's a little button you push very easily, and the water comes out into this nice little bowl area where Lou can drink it very easily, and he seems to love it. And what's great is you don't have to let all the water go to waste when you're done because you simply hit the same button and the water will return all back into the storage part of the water bottle. I've also found this very useful when we have Lou out on his chain in the front yard because there's no water bottle out there. So I easily just squirt some out in this bowl and it's right there for him to drink. It fits super easy into our cup holder on our stroller. So whenever we're going on a walk, I just grab it, stick it in there, and wherever we are, if Lou looks like he's getting thirsty, I can just whip this thing out and he can get a nice big gulp of water.
And that's our point of view.